Guru Nation, how's it going? I wanted to do a quick video. I'm in the car with Chris. We're headed to do a monitoring visit right now. But I've been getting a lot of questions from people. Like, some people are afraid of all the consolidation that's happening, and other people are just afraid, period, to get into the industry. So I've had 3 people from PPD reach out to me and say, hey, we got acquired by Thermo Fisher. I'm a CRA here. Should I leave? Like, no. There's a book called Who Moved My Cheese, and it basically says change is inevitable, and you have to be able to anticipate change and be able to react to the change as well properly. And what does that mean? That means, really, when you boil it down, it ties into my whole strategy of being a generalist, because you want to give yourself more options than other people. And what does that mean? You want to have a wider variety of a skill set than most other people. And what does this boil down to? You want to be able to increase your confidence so you can go step into any job interview, even for a position you've never had, and be able to convince the interviewer that you are the right person for the job. So a lot of questions I've been getting also are about confidence. Hey, Dan, I saw this job, but this is what they're seeking, and I don't have that many years of experience. I only have 1 year, and they want 2 years. At the end of the day, it's not about what they put as the job requirements. Yes, some employers are going to be very strict when it comes to their job requirements, but in a job market like 2021, where there's just such an extreme shortage of supply of trained clinical research professionals, if you have a year and a half of experience and the job calls for 2 years of experience, you should still apply. Matter of fact, you should still apply even if you only have 6 months of experience. Like we give in the CRA and CRC academies to our interns. They get about 6 months of experience, of real industry experience, before they can start applying. You should apply. Why? Because that's a filter. That's a filter to filter out the people who lack confidence. And why? Because the people that lack confidence, the employers already know, hey, even they don't think they can get hired. Why should we even give them a chance? Why are we wasting our time with these interviews? And we can even tie it a step further with the Latinos in clinical research, and I know Danielle with the Black women in clinical research, where there seems to be a lack of confidence, not just amongst those minority groups, but there's just a lack of confidence from certain human beings, period. And it really stems from the fact that they are not spending enough time researching the things that actually matter, not spending enough time gaining the skill set that they actually need to do the job. And then fear, they're afraid to apply for the positions, maybe for a number of reasons, but one of them might be their lack of knowledge in that space. So knowledge, it's a cliche, knowledge is power, but it really is true in this case, because if it's keeping you from even applying because you have a lack of confidence, the best thing to do to increase your confidence is to increase your knowledge base. And that's not an easy thing to do, especially if you've been stuck in a very specialist position for a long time, like clinical data manager, and now you want to be a clinical research associate or an in-house CRA, or even going to go CRC route. You need to expand your skill set. So say yes to things, learn about more things, do things without being asked to do them. That's going to increase your confidence, because at the end of the day, there are tons of jobs to be filled. Right now, I talked to somebody from a very large employer, and they have tons of jobs to be filled. But what's keeping a lot of people from applying and probably getting those jobs is this lack of confidence. And I think you combat that with increasing your knowledge base. And you combat that, or you get more confidence by learning how to expand your skill set and be a generalist. So we're going to go live. Chris and I are going to go live later today, and we're going to maybe expand on this a little bit more, but just wanted to make a quick video for you guys on that. Let me know what you guys think. Talk to you soon.